SS Marta, prægtige skude, du er skøn som en tun i leg. De, der siger, du er grim som en ælling, rynket af rust og kittet af møg, og langsom og sløv og hæslig som få. De kender ikke spor til din charme, gamle Marta, vi elsker dig.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video about Omala. She returned back to Copenhagen last week. We towed her back from Gilleleje after she was on land. And while I was in Gilleleje, I got some parts from another steamboat that I want to put on Omala to make her a bit prettier. So I managed to make a deal with one of the owners over there of an old tugboat named Loke. And Loke was built in 1921 in Naval in Sweden. And Loke was built with a 100 horsepower compound steam engine. Which got motorized to a diesel one, I think 20-30 years later. But she still had one of these Cowl Vents, as it's called, or an ram air intake for the steam engine, and a big towing hook because it was a tugboat. And I managed to make a deal to buy these of the owner, because Loke is being rebuilt into a houseboat, so the original house is being cut off sadly. Yeah, so I'll put this air intake on top of the boat and towing hook on the back of the boat.